birds and bees if I true. Salty mood, dry smooth. Down to earth if I cool. Yeah.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel, Drea Sanity. It's your girl Drea. So today I'm coming to you guys with another hook polish playlist edition. I will be making some press-on nails for my sister. She has a photo shoot coming up, so yeah. I have to make her some basic nails because, you know, they have like criterias or whatever for these photo shoots. So I'm just going to be making her a French set with a little bit of flair. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. I already have the full coverage tips on here. They are Makartt tips. They are full coverage in the shape Coffin. I have her sizes already, so I have them already sized out. I'm gonna be shaping and filing them for you. Gotta take this little tip off right here and just shape them up a little bit and buff them, and then we'll get started. So I have my dust collector here. In my last video I mentioned to you guys that I really like this dust collector. It's really good. I'm gonna have the sound off for this section of the video while I'm shaping because the dust collector is pretty loud, and nobody needs to hear that. So real quick, I just wanted to say, like, when you're shaping, you want to pay attention to your shape. I'm gonna be hopefully like pointing and taking like some slow-mo, but when you're shaping, you really want to pay attention to your shape because it's really easy to go off and over shape, and then you have like a tilted nail, and nobody needs any kind of tilted, bent up looking nail. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Okay, now that the nails are shaped and buffed and dusted and my space is clean, we're gonna get started. So first we're gonna be using Modelones base coat. So for the base of our French color, we're going to be using Sugar and Cream in the color Cupid. Super cute. This is the second coat. second coat. So cute. Love this bubblegum color. Again, this is Sugar and Cream in the color Cupid. Okay, so now that the base color is down for our French tip, I'm going to be going in with Beetles Gel Polish in the color White, and I'm going to be using this liner brush. It was a thicker brush to begin with, but I had trimmed it down slightly with some scissors just because it was too thick. So I find that it works way better like this. So let's get started. I'm gonna add some more gel polish because I already did the first hand just to get my groove back. Okay, so my first tip is that you want to coat the entire, or like most of the bristles, so that way you don't end up with a bead at the tip. And then you want to swipe some of it off so that way you can have a clean stroke. Okay, so your brush looks something like this. Okay, and now I start at the sidewall and I go up, but I don't go immediately swooping towards the middle. I start from the sidewall and I go up, and then I go back to the other sidewall and I go up, and then I clean and draw out the middle. Slowly bringing it closer. I do 2 coats of the white, so I'm not too crazy about how the line looks as far as its sharpness, because I'm gonna go back in with the second coat and make sure that line is nice and sharp. So what I'm mainly focused on for the first coat is how like symmetrical it is. Then I go in with the nail polish brush and I fill it in. You want to make sure that you're not laying it on too thick, because it'll cure all bubbly. And again, you're gonna do 2 coats, so I'm gonna come back in and it's not gonna look patchy. Just be patient. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna be adding these little butterfly stickers to the nails. I believe I got them on Etsy, but I'm gonna have to double check that for y'all. But I will leave the link below when I do find it. So yeah, let me open these up. Super cute. I've used them before. They lay really flat. The company is so cute. Usually just use one of these to peel it off. Stick them. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so now that the butterfly decals are on, we can top coat. So I'm going to be using Modelones top coat, my favorite top coat. So this is the end of the video. I didn't get a chance to do the outtake because my sister was on FaceTime with me, just distracting me, trying to make sure her nails was ready. But like, comment, and subscribe if you mess with the vibes, and thanks for watching.